Hey guys, Bobcat 325. Yeah, I'm on another job here. This is where my bigger excavator is, the 190E John Deere. This is actually that job I dug the foundation. You can see the house over here. The framers are getting there. They're almost done. Look at the ruts that lull leaves. They're like a couple feet deep. The four-wheel drive lull forklift, it lifts the wood up to them. It lifts everything up to them to make it easier so they could build the house up. But yeah, here's the John Deere 190. So this video here is about, actually I finally got a thumb. I got a mechanical thumb on this machine now, because I always had it on my Bobcat, the 325 mini excavator. But moving a lot of logs around, and it's a pain just with the bucket. And even when I do demos, knocking garages and sheds down, it's nice for loading a dumpster and loading stumps into trucks and roll off dumpsters. But anyways, yeah, so I found this one online. Let's see, Tomahawk. Got a good deal on it. It's actually for this machine, this size machine. So I had my welder come, and he welded this on. We measured it all up like you're supposed to. Welded the plate, and then it's got three settings. And works really good. It's pretty cool. I'm happy. Definitely makes everything a lot easier. So yeah, I got it down now in the grapple position. I gotta move some logs out in the back. I gotta bring them up to this pile over here. But yeah, it's Tomahawk attachments. Yeah, it fits. It even says here it's at 12,000 to 16,000 pound machines. Yeah, this is around the 16,000 pound. It even has my machine on this label. Hitachi ES60, John Deere 80, John Deere 190E, that's mine. Cat 308, 307. Yep. T36 universal thumb attachment. Oh, here we go. That's right. That's another reason why I got it. Made in the USA. But yeah, my welder did awesome. Older guy. He's actually an iron worker, certified welder guy. He does. He actually works for he actually does subcontracts for the Volvo dealer here in Connecticut. They call him in, and he welds on the bracket for the, like, when they hook up the hydraulic thumbs. You know, you gotta have on the back of the stick like this. I guess there's some kind of bracket where the piston, you know, for the piston mount. But anyways, they have him welding up stuff like that, and he refabs buckets. Does all the bucket welding and stuff like that. So he's real good at, you know, this is what he does. But the inside weld here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. It works real good. Yeah, I even moved some boulders. I had to move some boulders out of the way and set them down. Sometimes people have me moving boulders in their yard, and you know, certain for decoration and stuff. So I'll get a lot of use out of this. John Deere 190. Yeah, she runs good. I did pins and bushings in the bucket linkage over here. Let's see, not all these. Let's see, I did the one on the bottom of the stick here, and this one on the dog bone link. So that one and that one. Put the new pin and bushings. I had to use my torch set to heat it up to get them out. I had to actually cut a couple of them out. It was worn that bad. Yeah, it was crazy. But I ended up getting them out. Worked out good. Yeah, this was the first foundation dig with this machine since I've owned it now, and boy, it went quick. With a bigger machine like this, I rented before on foundation and house digs, I would just rent a bigger machine like this one. But now that I own my own, yeah, it's pretty fast. Get a lot of stuff done. Alright guys, that's a video on my my new thumb. Tomahawk T36. I'm happy with it. It's a good thumb, you know. So yeah. Alright, there'll be more videos. I'll show you in action. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.